Hello guys, today we are working on a GE refrigerator. This unit is made by Samsung. We're gonna turn it off by pressing energy saving and freezer at the same time. And it went off. The reason why we turn it off, let me show you. We're having a big mess of water inside. And the reason why this water started building up in here is because you have another evaporator coil inside. This coil has a heating element, and the heating element has the little drain line behind it. That drain tube, when it gets stuck with ice or anything dust behind the unit, the tubing that is behind it where it's supposed to drain to the second drain pan, it gets blocked, the water overflow, and you guys can see the water marks in here. And all that water, it comes inside the refrigerator and it starts leaking in the front. So what we're gonna have to do is just remove this cover, and let me show you. First of all, we're gonna start defrosting a little bit of ice because this panel doesn't want to come out that easy right now because it's a lot of ice stuck. So we're just kind of heating it up a little bit, and then with the flat screwdriver, we're gonna remove it from here. Okay, so what we're doing to remove this panel, we kind of like going with a flat screwdriver around this area. And once you guys get it open, like right here, kind of like start squishing a little bit. Now I can feel ice building up on the top area. We're gonna have to do more with the steamer. All right guys, so we finally got this thing out. So let me put this here and let me show you what I was talking about. This is a drain tube that goes into this line. I don't know if you can see this piece of ice. So it was worse, but we've been shooting hot steam with the steamer. But this is the drain line that you guys can see. The heating element is all around the coil. The coil will come on, and I mean the heating element will come on, and the water that is defrosting, it will come to here. But if this line is, this little tubing is getting blocked, this water is gonna start overflowing into the bottom, and that's why we're having all this water in here. So what we're gonna do is just make sure we clean all this, and once we clean this out, this problem will be all resolved. And like I said, this problem happens on the Samsung and also some of the GEs. This GE is made by Samsung, but the really common GEs doesn't have these problems, only if it's a Samsung build. If this video was helpful for you guys, like it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Okay, quick update. We have already completely defrosted the line, and I'm gonna throw a little water, show you guys. Now the water is going all the way. So we can see that the drain pan probably is the one who caused this problem, because you see it's getting pretty much coming apart. So we're gonna recommend the customer to replace this drain pan, because all this little dust that is start building up is probably creating the drain line to get blocked. And also we're gonna be extending this little piece so it can come more down and defrost all the ice that is gonna be pretty much creating in there. All right, well we're just gonna clean everything back, put everything, and this job is all complete. Thank you for watching this. Hey guys, just remember that if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more. And if we are in your area, you can definitely contact us to Houston.